Hey guys, Kimmerman here, and I got here the Gundam ASTRAY Gold Frame Amatsu Mina from Bandai. So this is the 1/100 scale, no grade, but still looks elegant even if in the no grade form. So let's go with the paint of this kit. The kit has the shiny black or glossy black parts, followed with this gold pieces here for the gold frame, and the gray parts are, it's like a purplish or bluish gray parts here, something like that. So this stands about 20 centimeters tall, or 19.5 to 20 centimeters tall. Yep. And yep, it will tower your master grade kits, because Amatsu Minas and even the Amatsu Hana are a tall ASTRAY models. So let's go with the articulation of this kit. The kit is so far medyo articulated din, even in the no grade form. So it has decent pose. It can do decent pose, by the way. So let's go with the head here. The head can rotate like this, but be careful with yung parang bangs niya dito. Ito. Yan. Kasi ano siya, medyo brittle. So be careful when twisting the head. You might accidentally break this moving part here on the side of the head. His head looks like a parang sparrow, ganyan. Diba? Parang pirate cap. Ganun. And the arms can raise. Okay, let's go with the shoulder. Both shoulders can raise up to this far. So let's go with the right arm. This is your Gundam Blitz arm here. It can raise up to this far. Actually, it can rotate 360 degrees, but because of the wings and the structure of this arm here, cannot do that. Kaya kung alisin natin yung wings and yung guns niya dito, yung I don't know how it's called, yung blitz gun niya, we can do 360 degrees. So the elbows can flex up to this far. So double bend elbows, and then for the left arm, the gold frame arm, be careful when moving this, because yan, meron siyang peg dito sa black shoulder armor dito, medyo brittle siya. So be careful if you're going to move it. Assist first the shoulder armor, then followed by the arm, because they are separate. So the elbows can extend or bend like this up to this far. And I can notice I already changed the hand to Dalin decal hands, 100 scale hands. And yep, pwede siyang the hands can bend like this. Yeah, the wrist, I mean. Then the cutters here can unlock it by putting down the gray clip here and extend the triple blade, the Wolverine blades, like that. Then the waist can rotate 360 degrees, but I will not do that so much. Then we got here the swords, the fencing swords. It's on the side skirts. Yep, side skirts. Front skirts are somehow immovable. Even the back skirt. So these are fixed. So let's consider it doesn't have any front skirt. Cannot move that. These are all fixed. They are on this front part altogether. So ano lang siya, fix lang siya. So the legs can raise or kick up to this far, and it can bend up to that far. Yeah. The toes, for me, the toes is much better than the daban because it's quite sturdy and masikip, and it can do plantar extend like this and plantar flex like that. And if we're going to make Amatsu Mina stand on the ground, both feet can properly flat on the ground compared with the ban model. Okay, so let's go with the wings. The wings can extend like this. Yep. So nice. But I didn't put the stickers because the stickers will make the wings cheap or looks cheap. Okay, the back looks like this. Yep. And careful with these flaps, they can be easily removed. So might as well put some glue on this gold flaps here. Okay, and we got this slash hardens here, which can be deployed like this. Okay, and you have wires as well. If you want to make it like shooting post, you can remove this part here and make it shoot. Okay, like that. So let's compare it with the size of the Amatsu Hana here from the band. So I made a review of this as well. So Amatsu Hana here is a bit taller than the Bandai Amatsu Mina. So I'm not sure if the Amatsu Mina from the band is a bit taller than the Bandai, but obviously what I'm thinking is if Amatsu Hana is just kumbaga opposite copy lang nung Amatsu Mina kung i-compare natin sa the band. So parang recolored version lang ni Amatsu Hana. So most likely mas matangkad pa rin talaga si the band version kay Bandai version. Since this is a no grade version, this is a metal build plastic model version. So much mas matangkad nga compared dito, and mas packed with plastics and details. But for me, for playability, I much like the Amatsu Mina no grade version kasi magaan, mas stiff yung mga joints compared dito. Although this one is stiff, but yung brittleness mapapansin mo sa white plastic and some gold plastic, medyo may pagka-brittle yung mga joints niya kung lalaroin mo, so be careful with that. And much dust catchy ito kaysa dito since this one is black. Diba? Okay, do I recommend this no grade version as an alternative for the band to this no grade version, something like that? For me, get both. They are cheap. This one is cheap, this one is cheap also, so much better get both of them. But good luck finding this Bandai because this is already rare to find and hard to find. Kung sakaling makakita ka ng Bandai version na ganito, expect that it's an overpriced. But thankfully, I bought it only for 2,400 pesos. And this the band here, I bought only for 2,200 pesos. Okay. Thank you very much and see you next time for my other reviews of model kits. Okay, goodbye and take care. Auf Wiedersehen, masalamat paalam sa inyong lahat. This is Gundam Amatsu Hana and Amatsu Mina.